Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn how to have a y-axis for our histogram with logarithmic scale. Here we are going to import our libraries. Then we are going to generate 1000 random values from a standard normal distribution. Then here we are going to have the figure size 5 by 3, so 5 by 3. Then we are going to use the hist function in order to plot our histogram. Here we are having the data, the bins, the color. I choose steel blue this time. Then edge color, which is black. So the edges, you see that it's black. And now we want to have y-axis to logarithmic scale. Therefore, we are having the y scale function. And then we are having the log here. So it is going to change the normal scale here to a logarithmic scale. Here we are again having the title of the figure, and then we are having the labeling of the x-axis and y-axis, and here we are using the show function to display our figure. So in this video, we learned that by including this line, we can have our logarithmic scale for the y-axis. Thank you for watching.